Hey guys, and welcome to Tobago. So we're actually staying in a beautiful villa called Villa Limbo Tobago. Jono and I were invited across by a friend who allowed us to stay in this beautiful villa for the weekend, and I decided to make a little YouTube video just to show it off to you guys because it really is a prime location to stay in Tobago. I just want to give you a quick walkthrough, nothing too fancy, but just to show people the options they have when they come here. Now this villa is actually in Black Rock, but it's not a beachfront property. That being said, beachfront is not always best when you're coming to Tobago. So I'll give you a quick little tour. We'll just walk through, check out the house a bit. I'll show you some aerial footage of the place and give you a few more details by the end of the video. So please enjoy, like and subscribe, and let's go and check it out now. So Villa Limbo is located in Black Rock, and it's about a 3 or 4 minute drive from Grafton Beach. It's also within walking distance. That being said, if you're coming here, it's probably better to bring across a car from Trinidad or rent a car when you do arrive in Tobago. The location itself though is not far enough from the beach to be a possible problem for you. It's really close to Grafton, Mount Irving and many other popular places. Right down the road there's access to Minimart, as well as there's bars, nightlife and many different things going around, as well as a plethora of restaurants around the area that you can visit. So this villa consists of 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Each bedroom has its own queen size bed and private bathroom within the room itself, so it's ideal for couples. However, the owners said that they can always arrange additional bedding for people if they wanted to come with a party of, let's say, 8 persons or so. The house itself is beautifully furnished. All amenities are here, from stove, cooking, microwave, dryer, washing machine, everything you need. There's Wi-Fi, and as well as all rooms are air conditioned. And around the house it's filled with beautiful local art. In fact, an interesting story is that an artist is the one who initially owned and lived within this villa and then sold it off to the now current owners, but he insisted on keeping all the art that he had collected over his time in Tobago and left it up on all the walls for everybody to see. The lower bedroom as well as the living room opens out onto the balcony, which there's a small plunge pool outside, ideal for relaxing, liming and even children to play in the pool. If you're feeling adventurous when you do visit this villa, in addition to doing things like going to the beach, etc., you can walk 1 minute up the road and there's this fantastic unfinished building that was essentially going to be a grand bird watching sanctuary that a German man was building around 10 to 15 years ago. He unfortunately ran out of money, so the building remained unfinished. There's talks that the Tobago government may try to overtake this project and bring it at some point in time, but right now it's just a shell of a massive what was to be building, and you can go and explore this building freely. As of now, it's a really interesting sight to see what could have been when you are here. you enjoyed this little presentation of this villa in Tobago. I've stayed quite a few places when I come to Tobago and all have been lovely, to be fair. This ranks as one of my top ones for sure though. It's very spacious, very affordable. In peak season, you're looking at a cost of around 1,500 TT per night. Granted, it sleeps comfortably 6 people. So with that price, that's very fair. And in off season, maybe a little bit less. I will put the website for this rental here below in the description. And you can reach out and always book, of course, book in advance, because a place like this would be very popular on your visits to Tobago. But yes, thank you very much guys. Like and subscribe. Please check out Villa Limbo on Instagram as well as their website. Book it, you will not regret it. A really beautiful place to stay. And also, actually, let me mention very quickly, because I didn't say it in the video, one of the biggest attractions of up here is that there's a whole bunch of birds and wildlife that's around the area. Every morning I've woken up, I've seen different species of birds. There's coquelicos, motmots, woodpeckers. It's actually a really great place for bird watchers or nature enthusiasts. So yeah, check it out. Book your spot here now. Come and you will not regret it. Tell them Trini Surfer sent you. Have a great week guys. Like and subscribe. Please share the video. Peace out.